I am surprised by who actually registers for the course. I don't have any celebrities yet. I hope to have one soon. Please join my course. Hi, my name is Rosemaliza, and this is my take on online education. I teach instructional technology, which means technology in education, to undergraduate students and also postgraduate students. When kids come to class without seeing anything that is current, any screens, without any projectors, without any computers, they will feel awkward because it is not their reality. If we say that there are lecturers who are not tech savvy, show me one. They can always type, how do I use technology in the classroom? They can always do that. That's always a starting point. Suddenly, there's someone from another country that I've never heard of who has logged in and who signed up for my course. I do not have to be bounded by my class, my university, even my country to actually teach. Be it MOOC, be it online learning, be it a learning management system, anything. It is here to stay and it's here to grow. Jump in, join the bandwagon, because it is the current way of learning.